We all know how important Salesforce certifications are in today's competitive job market, as they prove you have got the skills for the job. But preparing for them can be tough. Even with the study guides and tailored modules, it feels like something is missing, right? That's where Salesforce certification days comes in. But what are they exactly and how important they are? Let's find out in this video. Salesforce Certification Days is an event that's not just informative but a game changer for inspiring professionals in the Salesforce ecosystem. These are half-day webinars packed with insights, strategies, and tips straight from the expert at the Salesforce themselves. And guess what? These webinars are completely free for everyone. During these power-packed sessions, you'll get a sneak peek into the exam patterns, major topics, and their weightage. It's like having a roadmap to navigate your way through the certification journey. But here's the best part. Salesforce certification days aren't bound by borders or time zones. They are happening across the globe at various times to suit everyone's schedule. But slots are limited, my friend. So keep a close eye on the Trailhead website for updates. Now here's a cherry on top. By participating in these webinars, not only do you sharpen your Salesforce skills, but you also get a sweet deal, a certification voucher with a 50% off on exam registration cost. Now, I know you are really eager to jump into Salesforce Certification Days webinar. So, let me break down what you need to do before going ahead. First off, these webinars are all virtual, which means you can join from your comfort of your own space. But brace yourself. They are fast-paced and can last up to 5 hours straight with just a short break in between. And during these sessions, you'll be hearing directly from an Salesforce instructor who's there to share their wisdom, tips, and best practices. To get the most out of it, it's best to attend after you have done your certification preparation. Trust me, it will make a world difference. Now, before you hit that join button, make sure you have ticked off these boxes. Read through the study guide thoroughly, completed all the necessary Trailhead projects, made use of any additional research tools available to you, finished up those practice tests which are available on Trailhead to really solidify your knowledge. With all that preparation done, you'll be ready to soak in every bit of insight these webinars have to offer. If you are at the last stage of your preparation journey, then now is the time to register for Salesforce Certification Days. Let me tell you how to register for that. The process is pretty straightforward. Visit the Trailhead website, trailhead.salesforce.com, navigate to the credentials section and look for certification days. Or you can directly click on this particular link which is there in the description as well. So that's all about certification days. Please share your views in the comments on how you found this video and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Salesforce Hulk for more such insightful videos.